And all the oil built up here. But hold on, I'm gonna pull this intake cover off and show you the valve covers, the coils. This is the piece that holds your intakes, your filters. As you can see, they're filthy. But this is the problem. These are two of your coils and they're covered in oil. See this? It's all oil coming out of your valve covers. All the way around. And then gets down here, like right there, and then gets on your spark plugs. The worst is in the back though. Can't really see how it's all clogged up here. But that's absolutely insane. It's still wet. Pouring out there. It's gonna cause the crankcase hoses to crack. Look on this side. Same thing. On top of the valve cover. Pouring down onto the coils. As you can see here. Jesus, it's bad. Every one of them covered in oil. Wow, that one's really bad.